Today you will see how we are switching our scooter on unusual green fuel. Trash fuel. They must pay you for using it, really. Oh my gosh! Is it going to blow up? That's a pity so many people around here got used to throw bottles right in the river. And they're all here, all in one super big stock. And we're going to gather some bottles right now. And using a handmade alcohol machine, we are going to get some gas from these bottles. And we will use it as fuel. And we have got a super duper machine. That's an ancient alcohol machine actually. And this old canister is the retard here. That's a kind of a tank that we will fill with junk then. The retard will be heated with a fire below and the gas will evaporate because there is no oxygen. The gas will go through this tube right in the refrigerator. There it will lose the heavy fractions. If we really want to make the most of it, we should fill it to the limit. More upshot in the end. Try to get it there. It will be okay when it heats up. Will we open it after this? Why not? That's it? We are setting the tank now. Right in the case. Now we are connecting the tubes, installing the gasket on the high temperature connection. There you go. You must pull it nicely. Leaks are not welcome. That was once a part of the fridge. If we get it right, we will get pure gas, and absolutely for free. We're gonna use some wood to keep the retard, of course, but the wood is free. And we will get the gas itself out of the bottles. Out of rubbish. And that is for free too. Fire. And we can throw a little more. The gas appeared as far as we lit the fire. But wait, it seems like some air. Oh my. That's too early. There is still air comes out. Will we make it or everything will explode? How do you think? Write your thoughts right now. That is a good sign. There's gas! Gas! Oh yes! Come on, this gas is good! My hands are eager to lit it. It isn't hot. That's cause he has enough time to cool up. Look how pure this gas! It's just like in lighters. Something tells me that this gas will suit our scooter and everything's gonna be okay. Burns like lighter's gas. We've decided to keep the gas in the plastic bag for a while. Then we'll use a compressor to pump it into the gas tank. The smell is a little bit weird. Smells like burnt plastic, of course. Let's measure the temperature. It says 450 Celsius. There is 260 and the tube is 118. The gas temperature is pretty high, but fancy that right here it is barely warm, so I can touch the tube, and the gas cools while going through this short tube. I can feel some plastic smell right now, that's obvious, and our bag is being filled. We loaded the retard really hard, and it is stuffed with wood, and something crazy is going to happen. The canister is 485, it's good. Does the canister swell? Hey guys, look at the bag! The gas is going really fast now. 130. The bag is going to blow up. It may explode. Hurry up, we're losing free gas. Get here a plastic bag. Hurry up, this bag is heavy. Alright, all's good now. Pull it on the hose, come on. So let's blow up the first bag, shall we? We want to test its flammability. It's going to be spectacular. I mean, just lit the wick and we will see how it burns. Lit the wick? Okay, lighting. Something is going to happen. Hey, folk. It is just burning. Just have a look at all this. It's so awesome. Oh my gosh, I told you this will happen. This gas is so nice. It will never blow up. It burns so well. And by the way, while we are playing with this one, there comes another one. It has burned brightly, calmly, pure stability, no explosions. Awesome gas. There must be a leak somewhere. Do you hear the strange sound? Hey, you calm down. I can't see where it is. It isn't the cap. Where? From below. Maybe it is a single welded. No. No, that's on the bottom. I can see it. Where? Right here. Oh, now I can see it. That is so sad. The bottom has a leak. It's the rocket fuel. This retard has let us down today, but nevertheless we've got some gas here, and we can bomb this gas into the tank. Okay, the gas generation is over. Check it out. You see it's burning hardly. Set the hose in the compressor and we're going to pump here. Everything we've got today. Here we go. turned off. What goes wrong? This end has been off. The hoses were disconnected, but why? Second test. Hold it, it isn't too hard. I will turn it on. For some reason the gas doesn't go inside. Oh, there must be a return valve inside, and that's why it says no refilling. Such tanks are just a waste of metal, such a pity. They put there the valve and we can't refill it. The next day we've got a normal tank, and continued. The retard isn't damn hot, and we can look what's inside now. We're going to unwind it, hold it with the pilers. It is all stuffed. The tube is completely filled. Let's try to... Such a disgusting smell. Let's dig this out of this tube. It burns just like plastic and smell. Okay, now let's open the tank. Aha, there is a hole. There it is. The rust corrosion here, and it caused a hole eventually. Now we can clearly see that the hole is there. Almost, yeah. That's it. Yeah, that's all. Nothing can fight the hammer back. Oh, that sound. Well, people, see what's there. Holy moly. Do you see that? Let's look at the remains of the plastic. Shiny things with no smell. That's cinder. That is 100% cinder, nothing there. Ash. We have patched up the hole at the bottom, and now you will see our favorite method of making bottles smaller. That's the plastic cutter, and it will help us to save some space in the retard. That's such a cool sound. Reloading. We're going to get some gas for this tank. Just look at this handsome gas tank. But we also need to clean the tubes from the paraffin slag. The pressure in the retards grows, and this will smash the congestion. Look sharp, we don't want this tank swell from the pressure. It's hot. It is working then. It doesn't get through. This pressure cannot clear the tube. I have got an idea. Let's get this water out of there. We need it to heat as well. There it comes. Light it up. No, don't do that. Oh my gosh. You see this, right? There's so much gas. Can't breathe. It will blow up. It's going to boom. Did the tank swell? A little bit. Look, it's boiling. And the tube is cleaned. There goes the gas. Film it. Film it. Holy gas! Oh my gosh! Have you seen such trash before? Have you seen that? What the hell is that, Alex? Now we can get some water, a malicious liquid, boiling trouble. Huh? It's hot. Check out how it burns. If it smells, it burns. So let's get it going. Open a little by little. Do you see how much smoke is in there? So let's get it pumping, right? Right there. You must get paid for this, Alex. Now this baby is being fed. The pressure grows. It is 3 atmospheres now. We'll be okay. I'm afraid the hose may crack. Well, comrades, we have pumped here as much as we could. 3.5 atmospheres are in there, and we have some stock right here if we want more. The speed is 100% stable now. Let's try this. Oh my gosh, really? It is better than on petrol. We have found a perfect gas level for the best balance of output. And the scooter is going to be very powerful. And tomorrow we'll check it out. How far we can go with a single tank. How do you think? That will be fun. Setting. That's cool. The gas is going. Now we are heading to the bus terminal, and that is the opposite side of our town. There's our gas tank. Why is there honking? Oh my gosh, the license for this gas drive has expired. We will be fined if police stop us. Well guys, we've made it. We are at the bus terminal. Good boy. Well friends, I've been around town too, and I have covered about 19 kilometers. I've been to the radio shop, and you know, there is still lots of gas inside. It works awesome on these bottles. We have recycled just 30 of bottles this way, and with this 30 you can cover not less than 30 kilometers. The gas is rich, it doesn't take much of it, and all you need to make such gas is trash and wood. That's it. You can make as much as you want, all's free. It doesn't take much, just recycle plastic bottles through the alcohol machine. I think after this video there will be lots of trash recyclers. Now you know how to use trash properly. By the way, you can earn a couple of cents for each bottle in Germany. I guess people there don't understand how valuable these bottles are. We have made the candles out of the paraffin remains. Pour it.